Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Salesloft account with MFA. To authenticate your Salesloft account with multi-factor authentication, first, log into your Salesloft account using your credentials. Once you enter your username and password, look for the multi-factor authentication prompt. If prompted, select your preferred method for receiving a verification code. Popular options include text message or an authentication app like Google Authenticator. If you choose text message, enter your mobile number and request a code. Check your mobile device for the SMS with the verification code. Input the verification code in the designated field on the Salesloft login page. If you're using an authentication app, open the app to locate your Salesloft code. Input this code in the verification field as well. Once you enter the code, click the Verify button to complete the authentication process. If the code is correct, you will gain access to your Salesloft account. For added security, consider enabling backup codes. These codes can be generated in your account settings for emergency access. To find backup codes, navigate to the security settings in your Salesloft account. Store these codes securely in case you are unable to access your MFA method. If you encounter any issues during the process, double-check that your entered information is correct. Feel free to reach out to Salesloft support for further assistance if needed. You have now successfully authenticated your Salesloft account with multi-factor authentication. This added layer of security helps keep your information safe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.